Yeah, my people, it's me, your boy, once again, Marcus. I bring you good news in case you don't know. As our sister Queen celebrates her birthday on the 28th of October 2020. Queen, happy birthday to you. Long life and prosperity. This birthday shout out is coming from no other person than your one and only, the love of your life. In case you don't know, DJ Best. Now, in Benny on the code, say as it stands now, make I wish you happy birthday. Based on 99% intelligence information when he clear me, he say make I tell you say, never since he meet you, now you get to realize that part of Bible when say he that findeth a wife find a good thing and obtain favor from the Lord. Now ever since he meet you, now so blessing, favor now they come into his life. Say if he get the right to choose, even in his next life, he will choose you as the mother of his unborn children, because the wisest decision when he don't ever make for life to pick you to be the mother of his unborn children. Say for this singular and plural reason, anytime when you look into the mirror or look into your face, now you get more than thousands of reasons to take the Jehovah. Say for this singular and plural reasons, silver and gold you not get, but the only thing when you get now the love when you get boundary. He go take the shower you. T Bros J come. Now he call Clemmy say as it stands now he do arrange a lot of medemedes for you make the jollificate, jemerimel, la vida de akpo, William when he say makageni, say makana when he ka. He Clemmy to that point say as it stands now may you die, may you wine, may you ride. And don't forget to put the bill on his table, because he will be your husband. He is able and capable, and he will make sure there is always food on your table. So once again, Queen, jollificate, enjoy your life, rejoice, happy birthday.
I just